Jeremy here, 303-666-9020. JeepsUnlimited.net. 1987 to 1995 Jeep Wrangler YJ, 2.5 liter 4-cylinder frame, rust-free, straight, beautiful. Came out of the high desert of California, as all of our frames do. You'll hear me say that over and over and over. I kid you not. That's where we buy everything. It costs us a lot more money to buy them out of places like that, but you get quality, and that's what we're going for here. We've been doing this a long time. It sucks to chase rust around. Everything you see on this frame will come with it, but I am only guaranteeing the frame. So normally we pull these lines off, and we probably will pull these lines off as long as we get your permission to, just because they can get a little bit, but they're all cut anyway. They're no good. So what you're buying here is the frame and the frame only. The frame is in beautiful shape. It's an A+ frame. It's one of the last few A+ frames we have, and I don't know how many more we will get. Unfortunately, Jeep YJs are getting really hard to find. Tubs are even harder to find right now. So I haven't cleaned it, doctored it any way, shape, or form. If I rub this hard enough, it'll turn into gold. No, I'm just kidding. It will go down to the factory paint. So nice black factory paint still there. So this frame will clean up really, really nice. From there, you could blast it, sandblast it, wire brush it, sand it, whatever you want to do, or just throw some paint on it and go to town. Or put it on the way it is. It's a really nice frame. So again, it is a 4-cylinder frame. Those mounts are the ones that are the dead giveaways. The distance between those mounts and the shock towers, the 6-cylinder ones are up a little bit closer. You can use this on a 6-cylinder. It's really easy to do. You lop those guys off, bolt them on your frame, put your drivetrain in it with your belly pan already attached, and basically where that engine sits, weld those in place, and you're good to go. If you're putting anything else in it motor-wise, you don't even have to worry about that. You'll move those anyway. So questions, comments, concerns, let us know. Don't worry, I will flip it over and show you the bottom side. That's obviously the side that most people are concerned about. Oh, normally not that heavy, but that track bar adds a little bit of weight and whatnot. So would have been nice to get this one a little bit more cleaned off, but again, there's the nice black paint under there somewhere. And so just want to make sure you know we're not hiding anything like that. We just have kind of ran out of time. We do a lot of calls, a few hundred calls, a few hundred emails a day. Those areas are always areas of concern for people where the belly pan goes. Obviously they're perfect. A little bit of oxidation on the metal, just where the bare metal has showed up, just the rubbing of the belly pan on the frame. Just normal, no surface rust, no scaling, nothing like that. Nothing to be concerned about with that stuff. Got a little bit of an oil spot here. That's what you're seeing there, that dark area. But again, you can kind of see me wipe it through with my finger. And that's it. Those are places obviously you don't want to look. They love to rust out. That one's in the dirt. It's hard to see, but you can see it down there. And then this one, of course, this one's a little bit wallowed out, but not too bad. Still whole bushing, real nice, so we won't have to do anything with that. Without further ado, I'll wrap it up. 303-666-9020. It's Easter Sunday of 2018. Yes, I'm working. I am the owner, so it means I work every day practically, although I am going on vacation this week. That's why I'm working on Sunday. So let's see. JeepsUnlimited.net. Key, you can watch our videos there. You can view all our inventory. It's really cool. It's coming up. It's launched right now, actually. It works really well. But not everything is listed. We have a couple acres here, and then we have a new yard we're putting up June of 2018, western slope. That's going to be really awesome, so definitely keep an eye out for that. It's another 7 acres, add to our total. So we appreciate your time, and hope you've enjoyed.